Jingle Bell Boogie, words and music by Peerport. Adopted, and it's a little jazzed up. Will put you in a very good spirit of Christmas. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, go! So let's go slowly. This is very tricky because you have a walking bass. Also on the right hand you have 8 notes instead of... So that creates a little bit of ragged rhythm. So you have to be super careful. So I'm gonna go start with right hand first. So placement is G major position, and we know in G major position we'll have F sharp. So we started with placing our thumb on G and third finger on B. So the first measure is 1, 1, 2. Second measure, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Third measure. So 4 and it carries through next measure, tie notes. Next measure, 4, C, and then we add G. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1. 1 and 2. 5, 7 chord, and we go back to 1, 2, 1, 2. Two, three, four. C together. Okay, and I'll stop there. And walking bass, very common in jazz music, and it has half tones. So the trick is not from B flat go to C, but B natural. So G, A sharp, B, D, G. We do this 3 times, no, 4 times. Sorry about that. Then we're moving our hand to C position, and we're gonna do only once here, and then we're going back to G once. So C, D sharp, E, G, down to G. Measure 7, we have rest, A, C sharp, rest, E, C sharp, and then we go D, C natural, B, A, and back like beginning. 1, 2, 4, G, A sharp, B, D, 3. Same exact thing, like beginning. Moving to C one time, moving back to G one time. Now we have rest. For right hand play the melody, then left hand will swing the 8s. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and that will finish this this part. So now I'm gonna go slowly together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Holding right hand. Okay, the next part, measure 18, it has words, take away Santa. That means Santa is improvising, I guess. So right hand will have 3 notes, which is a 5/7 in C position. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part, it moves down B flat, E, G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next, we're finishing up with and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then I move my forefinger to B flat. 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and it goes back to the page number 1, which we already learned, and then we'll just have to do the coda. So you're repeating. So first I'm gonna go hands together. Left hand, again, we still have this walking bass, which is going to be the same. But instead of going up to C, we're going to go down to C. So the left hand will have 3 patterns on G, 2 patterns on C, and then we go back to G 2 times. And that's it for this section. All right, so I'm going to slowly put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Moving down to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Now, this part, I would stop here and explain because you really want to go to G, B flat, B natural, but it changes to G, B, C, C sharp. So one more time. G, B, C, C sharp. Then we go to D. If I could play it correctly. Okay, from that part, we're going back again to beginning. Not too fast. This music almost self-propels you to go faster. But stay steady. We have part where it says to coda. Coda, we're moving down to the last page. So we from measure 16, we're going into measure 30. Right, measure 30. So from 1 horse open, and the last part. 1, D, right hand, D, left hand, coda. 3, 4, all quarters. C, E, D, C, F sharp. Remember we key off G, then left hand A flat, and the melody moves into the left hand. Repeat again from measure 30 again, one more time. Coda. D, D, C, D, D, C, E, D. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Enjoy this beautiful tune, Jingle Bell Boogie. If you wonder where that came from, it came from Christmas book Level 3A by Randall and Nancy Faber. Good luck. Bye-bye.